So my name's Paul Bland. The company is called Gloucestershire's Machining Centre. We're a subcontract machine shop and we machine precision components. I started the company back in 2019. I was working for a subcontract machine shop. Always wanted to start my own subcontract machining company. I ended up handing my notice in, remortgaging my house, bought my first machine, which is a VF2, which is actually over there. And yeah, never looked back. As a managing director and as a small business, it was easy for me to look at the progress of components and see if parts were profitable. However, as the business has grown, I've not been able to have such a keen view on components and to see if those parts are profitable parts anymore. So Total Control will be able to monitor the machine time and see whether we're making a profit on each component or each job as it comes through the door.
Hi, I'm Dorian Smelly. I'm the director of TotalControlPro, and we're the software providers providing Paul at Gloucestershire Machining Centre here the DynamxMFG product. Fundamentally, we support manufacturers be more effective, more efficient, to produce more and waste less. And that was certainly when we first met Paul here at Gloucestershire Machining Centre. Incredibly talented bunch of engineers producing some unbelievable stuff. Highly ambitious, young company, really keen to grow. And for certainly Paul and his team, and what we certainly understood was they needed to get more out of their machines, out of their people, out of their current resources. So that's what started the digitalization journey. So we deployed our product, got real-time visibility on capability, on pinch points, real-time visibility on the progress of the orders. And that has really enabled Paul and his team here to start their digital journey.
So at the heart of DynamxMFG is the management panel. It's where all the data is centralised and provides users real-time insights into exactly what's going on the production floor. So for example, clicking through to the works order lets understand the materials that are being consumed and the status of those materials through the build process. Its current status, is something on stop, has it got an issue? And if so, let's understand where it is in the build process and the reason for the stoppage. So obviously working through the Smart Manufacturing Data Initiative has allowed that data to be analysed at a next level, really understanding the stoppages, to be able to analyse the frequency, the impact of those stoppages, and then obviously seeing the overall trends and opportunities for improvement. Aggregating that information in real time, understanding who's doing what, how long it's taking, and through our engagement with SMDH, we're being able to analyse that data at a far greater level to understand the resources that are available, people, the machines, and at what level they're being utilised, and obviously see the trends over a prolonged period of time.
So most manufacturers are very paper-based still. They're using a lot of paper to print designs, to manage orders, to put job packs onto the production floor. Those job packs then transform themselves into job files and job folders. Then obviously those themselves need to be archived for historic compliance and as an audit trail. That's not only very inefficient, but obviously it's not very environmentally friendly. Through the kind of applications such as DynamxMFG, that becomes a seamless digital system. Scanning of a QR code or a click of an on-screen button removes all of that requirements, and it deals with the traceability, the compliance, and just makes the experience for the guys on the shop floor that much easier as well. The SMDH funding has been great. For small businesses such as the Gloucestershire Machining Centre here, the time and the resources to get the funding in and to fund digitalisation products can be costly, and it can also have an element of risk. Well, the SMDH has completely removed that from Paul and his team. It's allowed him to lean on a lot of the work that's done. We call it the heavy lifting by some of the bigger organisations in the development of smart technologies, and it means that Paul and his team can take advantage of this latest smart digital technology here, subscribing, deployed within weeks, and starting to enjoy the benefits, quick time to value, a quick return on investment. We ultimately want to produce more, we want to waste less, as Paul has already alluded to, stay competitive in the global marketplace. And everything that we're doing here, supported by the SMDH, is all about driving UK manufacturing.